Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultrabright Lights, and it's always an exciting day when I get to tell you there's a new Z-Flash available. This is the Z-Flash BCM with Headlight Flasher for Ford vehicles. It's building upon our existing BCM for Ford by adding in the addition of flashing headlights, which is a feature you've been requesting, and we're happy to tell you it's now available. Also, we've reduced the harness and made it significantly smaller. It still connects to your BCM. There's only 2 plugs and a much shorter harness. It's going to connect to ports J3, which is right here. And you're going to want to slide this white lever forward and push in evenly, firmly, but gently. And you'll hear a click. The white bar will slide up. You want to lock that piece in. Now when you hear that click and lock in, it's good to go. You want to repeat the same for J7 down here. Lock in your white bar like so. Now, the harness that you removed from your vehicle will plug into our other end here, other end here. This part will plug into the side of your module, just like so. And lastly, you'll have this control harness, which will plug in here on the other side. This harness has an on-off switch, and it works just like our LCM, where you have the addition to use the switch or to hardwire it. You also have additional outputs, which can be connected to any steady burning external 12-volt light. So that's it. It's a very simple, straightforward installation. Plugs right to the BCM in your vehicle. If you need to remove it at any time, you can by reversing the same procedure that I just did. Sliding that white lever forward, pulling it back out, plugging your BCM back in. It's completely untraceable, and no one will ever know it was in there unless they saw it was in there. It also works on newer vehicles, such as the Explorer, Bronco, and Transit vans. These are available now at ultrabrightlights.com. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.